Central Park nhờ ilu tiệt của she của mua xuân rõm bề thông tiệt tê Central Park mua gì buộc lót cho Bay Acre nhờ hộp lần trong Manhattan, New York City. Nếu giờ thơ lu tiệt của she lo nhờ hồ tế thiểu mê cả. Nên nó nếu giờ ít khó chờ chua lo của mua tê kén khẩu rộng gâu bà tê hạ rộng thiết tê chỉ đợn đầu giả căn cứ. Famous Central Park. Central Park nhớ nụ chứ bọt rơ. Ở đây của hai kia nhớ lúc Central Park. Lúc có famous nhớ của University nhớ.
wanted to be famous, he was psychopath. This guy in the same picture with him, you see, that's it. Second day he was signing autograph, acting like a fan. 3 days he was waiting for the right time, and the third day he came back and shot him there at the entrance of this huge, beautiful building. Pagoda was the first luxury residence on the west side, built in 1881 to 1884, oldest one. And his family alive, they used to live on a penthouse, left up, 20,000 square. She's 94 almost. But she's still alive. She moved to upstate New York during the COVID, but they still keep their family. So you want to see that? Just go ahead, 2 minutes, right here. Take some photos. This hotel was in the movie Mr. and Mrs. Smith. This is how they got married, and then that's after how they divorced. They did like a New York mix game, so they can do like screens and all that too. Saves a lot. But in winter, like 6 months almost, ice skating ring is there. And this is the little zoo from Madagascar. I like to move it. Central Park Zoo. It's open till 5:30. And also Plaza was home for the gossip girls, like gossip girls, TV shows.
sẽ đi. Quý phọc phọc là sẽ nhau nó sẽ lấy muôn tông.